Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your hoverboard refuses to charge, don't worry because this is one of the most common issues faced by hoverboard owners. A charging problem can happen because of a faulty outlet, loose connections, charger issues, or battery protection mode. Fortunately, a hoverboard that isn't charging doesn't always require a new battery or expensive repairs. In many cases, a few simple checks can help restore normal charging and get your hoverboard ready for use again. Before replacing any components, it's worth trying several basic troubleshooting methods. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that may help fix a hoverboard that is not charging properly. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the hoverboard is completely powered off before charging. Step 2. Connect the charger to the hoverboard and verify that all connections are secure. Step 3. Try a different wall outlet for the hoverboard charging setup. Step 4. Inspect the charging port on the hoverboard for dirt or visible damage. Step 5. Allow the hoverboard to remain connected for a while in case the battery is deeply discharged. Step 6. Confirm that the hoverboard charging indicators respond normally and that charging has resumed.